Yes, yeah, I'm here with a new update from WhatsApp. WhatsApp has come with a new update. This update is what is good that you can now use WhatsApp, two WhatsApp on one phone, the way you use it on Facebook. WhatsApp is just upgrading to be like Facebook. So this is a new feature. So let me go how you will do it. So you first of all update your WhatsApp. Okay, go to your this thing Play Store and update your WhatsApp first. So you see, as you can see, my own is already updated. My own is already updated. So then once I will log into my WhatsApp account. So once I log in, you see this three dot up here. You click it, this three dot, you click on it. Then go to setting. You see settings. You go to settings. So once you go to settings, you will see something, this thing here, this one, you click on it. Okay, if you click on it, you come down, you will see add account. You will see add account. So under that add account, you click on it. So once you click on add account, so we wait for it. Yes, you see, you now press on agree. So I input my number, the number that I want to use. This is the number I want to use on the WhatsApp. So I arrange it. This is Nigeria number. Okay, for those watching. So yes, yes, I click yes, the number is correct. Then I click continue. Okay, allow. Okay, so requesting for phone call. So automatically, because the number is there, it will automatically verify itself. Okay, so it has already verified itself, so we are waiting for automatical verification. So verifying. So once it's verified, okay, and see it has already verified, so it's looking for backup, looking for backup. So if you watch, it shows that is automatically verified. So looking for backup, I say continue setup. So looking for all the message. So this is the account. Then I click next. Then we wait for it to add account. So it's adding account now. So follow this process. With this process you can. And don't forget, if you enjoy this video, if you love what I just did now, don't forget, just subscribe to this lovely channel for more updates. Okay, you can share the video to your friends, your family, so that they will know the new feature on WhatsApp. This is a new development on WhatsApp. You can use so many numbers on WhatsApp now. It's very very simple. Follow this procedure, the process, you will definitely get to it. Okay, so let's wait for it to load finish. Is loading. So that is it. You can see now the WhatsApp is now set. Is now set. So I can now switch. If I want, anytime I want to switch to the other of my account, I will just click up and click switch. You see it? It will automatically watch the process, see how it will switch me to my other account without deleting any of my message. None of my message deleted. So use this process. You can be able to switch, do normal thing you do on WhatsApp as Facebook. You can use two accounts on one account, on one WhatsApp, on Facebook. So enjoy the new feature. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel, okay, for more updates. Share this video, like, comment. Thank you.